No task is too big for us to handle. No journey is too long to travel. No plan is too complex to implement. But however the big is the plan is, how the long is the distance is, how the complex is the task is, first and foremost, we must identify our limitations. If we can fully identify the first and foremost, our own limitations for this task. And when you identify those limitations, then you think of many resources that you need, the partnerships, the collaborations, the engagements, and the knowledge and the tools that we require for this journey, for this task, for this plan. Sometimes we launch into plans and the task and the journeys without counting the cost involved, counting the responsibilities involved, counting the milestones involved. That's why we see sometimes some people on the halfway of the journey they give up. On the halfway of the task, it is not done. On the halfway of the plan, it is not implemented. Ladies and gentlemen, every one of us, there is no impossibilities. Many things are possible. A big task, long journey, complex plan is no issue for any one of us. But the issue is, first and foremost, identifying your own limitation, my own limitations. And based on that, have the courage and the conviction, the humility to seek partnerships, seek collaborations, seek engagements, seek resources what you don't have, including your skills, including your abilities. And when you can do that kind of partnerships and the collaborations, your long journey become very easy. Your big tasks become very easy. Your major complex plan become very simple to implement. Reason is, we are not looking for collaborations and partnerships and engagement. We are trying to do it by ourselves. And that's why we limit ourselves to a short distance and very basic plans, very small task. Ladies and gentlemen, you and I can do big things in a big way if we are willing to identify our limitations and looking forward for the partnerships and engagements.